So here we have another useful tool from Duratech. Now, I maintain 2 cars and I do my own oil changes, and having a multi-versatile oil change wrench is key. So this style comes in great with me, coming in with a 2-pack. This is a 9-inch and a 12-inch adjustable oil filter pliers. So it's great for motorcycles, trucks, boats, wherever you have an oil filter and you need that little bit of leverage to get it loose, and then you could hand loosen it because sometimes you just need a little bit extra help. They both have 5-position slip joint design, so you could adjust to it. So if your filter fits within these diameters, it will work. I got a real tight space here, my Crown Vic, but I was able to get it started turning so I could easily take it off with my hand. And that's all you need with oil filter pliers. You just need to get started, break it loose, and away you go. If you need more information, there's a link in the description. And if you make a purchase, I'll make a small commission. And I'd like to thank you for watching and supporting the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks.